For nearly a century, scientists have believed that new behaviors and ideas spread just like viruses do. But as the world saw in 2020, the spread of human behavior in fact follows very different rules than the spread of diseases. When it comes to social change, the periphery of the social network, the remote edges of society, can be far more powerful than anyone has realized. As the novel coronavirus exploded around the world, why did preventative measures like the use of face masks only take hold in some communities while completely failing to spread in others? Despite the fact that high-profile influencers were wearing them, scientists were recommending them, and marketing campaigns were promoting them. People's decisions about whether or not to wear face masks weren't based on the information they had access to. They were based on the invisible social influences flowing throughout the networks around them. In my book, Change, I'll show you the popular myths that prevent change. I'll explain the factors that control the spread of new behaviors, and the surprising ways in which intuitive strategies, like the use of influencers, can backfire, preventing well-intentioned efforts from succeeding. I'll share with you a playbook for change makers with 7 actionable strategies for building a successful infrastructure to spread new ideas, which you can use to bring about change in your own neighborhood or organization. From the invention of network science at Harvard University to the explosion of social media technologies in Silicon Valley, you'll learn what the brand new science of networks tells us about how and when and why social innovations spread. I'll show you why we've misunderstood social networks for so long and how they really work. Behavior change, we now understand, is not like a virus spreading through casual contact. My book will show you that change does in fact follow rules, and you'll see how those rules help to explain the worldwide expansion of new movements like Black Lives Matter. But learning these rules takes us far beyond the spread of diseases to reveal a process that is deeper, more mysterious, and much more interesting.